apply a slow motion effect to any video in your gallery app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open gallery app and then open a video you like to edit. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit screen. Now tap adjust speed button. Depending on the video's frame rate, you will be provided with some slow motion speed option. As you can see, this video has 3 slow motion speed options: 2 times slower, 4 times slower, and 8 times slower. As the example, we will select 4 times slower. If needed, you can change which part of the video you want slow motion effect to happen. To do so, you can drag the slow motion trimming first to select the desired part of the video. You always can tap the play button to preview the video to see whether it has been fit with your need or not. If the selected part is long enough, you can split it into 2 parts and then apply different speed. As you can see in this video, you can split the part by tapping the speed icon and then tap the split icon. You can see that the selected part will be split into 2. Next, you can tap the speed icon and then select the desired slow motion speed for each part. As the example, we will set one of the part to 8 times slower. To do so, tap the speed icon twice and then select 8 times slower. If you change your mind, you can remove the slow motion by tapping the speed icon and then tap the trash can icon. Before saving the video, you can preview it again by tapping the play button. If you are satisfied with the result, you can tap save to save the change over the original video. Alternatively, if you want to keep the original and edited version separate, then tap the save as copy to save the edited video as a new video. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.